So this is a teaching from Master Zhen Yan. Use praise as self-alert. So I'm the people to make people sweat. You think is praise? Let's big hand for Deputy Xiong. Just do it. Good evening, everybody. Today, I'm just going through, so we should listen, stop, and watch. We help 96 countries for the pandemic. Help. So Mongolia is a new country we help since last month. Over 8,796 institutions help us to finish this mission. So the guideline from Master Zhen Yan, we must be very quick. Since last year, before the Chinese New Year, the pandemic started. Nobody knows what's going on, and the whole world is unprepared. Remember that time we cannot export our mask, and we use cooking utensil to cook the face mask. So we did try to help China with all the personal protection equipment. So afterwards, Europe, Africa, the 5 continents, expanding very fast to all these continents. Since 1.0, then China's pandemic situation got relieved, so we can send 1.0 plus. We can help 96 countries around the world. Since September, the Delta variant. So we are, as Zhen Yan said, we should have different storage places in different countries around the world. So we stored all these personal protection equipment so we can prepare ahead around so we check the storage we have. It's over 10 million pieces. Right now we have 9 million pieces existing. We should have enough. This is called 1.0 plus. It's not the end yet. The second quarter of the year, all the South Asia countries, including India, their health system collapsed. So we just trying to purchase the PCE locally. We have helped 16 countries. We sent 5,000 oxygen machine to Indonesia. And we got thank you from the president of Indonesia. These are all the different PCE we sent to 96 countries. So 2021, we helped 50 countries. So we sent the most PCE to India and in Indonesia, those countries with big population. So this world, 40 million pieces, including the ambulance, blood. Let me give you some example. We sent 36 oxygen. We can concentrate the oxygen from the air. So with 36 oxygen machine, we help 53 people in Jordan. Those institutions we work with mostly are either government, education, charity organization, and some Buddhist, Christian, and Muslim institution. And last year, Vatican asked help from us. We sent 4,000 masks to them because all the priests, they are the first line people to help. And many priests sacrifice for doing their job. So totally we send 140,000 masks. We also send the oxygen tank to India. This is we send the whole oxygen generation plant. You can create the oxygen and send to all different bed in the hospital. Sent to the hospital in India, Chennai. We go through the help with the Buddhist temple to send the ambulance to the Indians church religion association, and all the brothers and sisters, they get help. And last year, when the pandemic is serious, and our university developed the fast test kit, we sent to 8 countries to about 200,000 pieces. We also provide the vaccination station to 4 countries, 38 places, and we have helped 720,000 people get help. And we send our herb solution to 35 countries, increase is a product from the Tzu Hualien Hospital. Tzu started from the beginning. We have helped 126 country or region. And last year we had 24 more countries. How come it increase so fast? It's in such difficult information. Those countries are closed their border. How do I achieve that? We got Tanzanians active care and leverage other people's help, so we can work with other organizations. So that's the tally of the materials, and also during the pandemic period to help those people have difficulty, have hardship in their life. If they don't have food, they will have chaos in their country. It's over 20 million people get helped, mainly in high population country like India and Indonesia get most help. In Indonesia, they help from the local force. Some countries have difficulty to reach, like Lebanon. We still try to help. Hunger add up with pandemic, a double effect. Then every one of 10 people on Earth are with empty stomach going to sleep. Also, we heard a story about the stone soup. Mother have no food for the children to eat. Just let them go to sleep first. Today's hungry map in the red number is most serious country got hunger problem is 11 countries, 35% of population are in hunger. We've done that for North Korea. The median stage, like 25 to 34.9% population, a certain country like Mozambique, Botswana, Afghanistan. Or people 15 to 24.9 country, like 12 countries get hunger, like India, the whole Asia, mostly in Asia. We did some tally for last year. And for this coming year, we're going to help 44 countries to relieve their hardship. So we can help those countries get those hunger people. We're going to promote more volunteer. For Haiti, we sent 12,000 tons of rice. It's from government's rice. So we plan to send 6,000 tons rice. The shipment cost is higher than the rice price. So from our citizen Yan's advice to purchase locally to reduce the carbon emission. So we're gonna have purchase locally, the other half we're gonna ship there. Well, Haiti, they used to be exporting rice. We hope they can stand on their own feet as soon as possible. We wish we can help them more. And this year we got a chance to go through several charity organizations in the United States to provide food to Afghanistan. So use a special channel with the help from our team at the United Nations. So we got a channel to help them. The virus change frequently, start from alpha, beta. The virus mutation is the way how they survive. We also need to survive. So be a vegetarian is the best way to help us through this difficult time. All the grain used to feed the cattle, goat, then we reduce the food for human beings. So only 8% of vegetarian around the world. Still a lot of room to grow to persuade people going through vegetarianism. So that's we city people need to promote vegetarianism no matter what. Mine's on last month. So we also sent vaccine to the untouchable, to India. We also sent to Haiti. We're gonna keep on trying. So we're gonna promote the vegetarianism and the environmental protection. And that including the tally for last year and the plan for this coming year. So you can see the report at many pages that Deputy Xiong, he goes through that very fast. We have done a lot of things and the number will talk about Dharma also. So all because of the Tzu people, they have Dharma in heart, so they put Dharma into action. Just now, Deputy Xiong, all these numbers are very important. This is a very delicate report. So we really appreciate the following groups sent to all the groups. So let everybody know immediately about those numbers. So we have Deputy Xiong. We appreciate him have such a detailed report, very concise report. We have done a lot of things. We committed a lot of number. Behind the number is the love. The audience for the evening session reluctant to left your message. Please send your message as much as you can. Love you. Speak out. Tally the charity. Appreciate everybody's love. Enlighten the world. I'm not quite familiar with the people who left the message. Yeah, I know Weiling is from Xiong. He's waiting already. Sister Jin.